Alright guys, here we are on the last page. Page 7. The end. All things get resolved or cliff-hanged until the next season. They'll probably get resolved because again, it's a review. Write an equation. So for each circle, we're actually going to write an equation. These look like answer choices to a question, so they probably are. We need the center and the radius. So 3, 1 is your center. Actually 3, -1. And a radius of what looks like 4, 2, 3, 4. So x minus 3 squared plus y plus 1. I don't. The -1 is going to make that -1 become +1. And then with the radius of 4, square that to 16. Here, the center is at -3, 1, also with a radius of 4. So this time it's x plus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 16. Here we have a center at 3, -1, and a very small radius of 2. So you get x minus 3 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 4. And then last but not least, -3, 1, radius of 2, x plus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 4. And there you go. Writing equations of circles. Find the area of the shaded region. So we're gonna find the area of the square first, which is a simple 10 times 10. And then we got to find the area of the circle. So if it's 10 across the bottom, it's 10 across the middle, which makes that a diameter, which makes a radius 5. So pi times 5 squared, and we're going to go ahead and use the decimal, use pi because it doesn't say otherwise, which gives us 78.5, we'll say 54. Subtract those, and you get 21.46. And that is the area of the shaded region. Speaking of area of the shaded region, last question, we are almost done. So we need the formula x over 360 times pi times radius squared, because I want you to find the area of the shaded region. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slices. 360 divided by 8 is 45. So we have 45 over 360 times pi times radius squared, but there are 3 shaded regions, so I would just multiply that by 3. Seems easier if you have a nice calculator. Anyways, 45 divided by 360 times pi times 13 squared is approximately 66.4, but there's 3 of them. So in the end, that comes out to 199.09 or 0.1 inches squared. Well, you've done it. You've made it through 7 videos, or at least the last page video. Either way, it's been a long time. Coming in Season 2, there will be new Geometry Kids, and you guys will have Algebra 2. So we're going to roll credits. We're going to roll credits, and there will definitely not be any post-credit scene, because this isn't an MCU movie. That would be crazy. I'd like to thank all of y'all that have come and done work and worked hard, and even though at times it seems like I'm losing my mind with you guys, I appreciate that y'all do work. And some of you, y'all could, work a little better and not be off task all the time, that'd be great. You're all a smart kid. You just got to apply yourselves and do work. We'd like to thank the state of Texas for paying me, because, that's great. Music provided by some people in class, and SoundCloud rappers, because they seem pretty in the news right now. We'd also like to thank Johnny Smith. He's the best key grip. And Susie Jones. She's the executive producer. And yeah, that's the end of credits. Done with the video. We're not done with the video. This is the post-credit scene. If you've stayed this entire time and gone this far, when you see me in class on Monday, tell me the secret word, orange sky. If you tell me the word orange sky, then I'll know you watched the video all the way here and you got the MCU post-credit scene. # Thanos did it.